In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a checklist in Trello. Whether you're managing a team, organizing your projects, or just trying to streamline your workflow, Trello is a fantastic tool for keeping track of your tasks. One of its features, the checklist, comes in handy for ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's dive in and see how you can easily copy a checklist from one card to another. First, you'll want to head over to Trello.com. If you haven't logged in already, click on the login button. You have the option to log in using your email or, for quicker access, your Google account. This flexibility makes it convenient to access your boards no matter where you are. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage where all your boards and workspaces are displayed. Navigate to the Your Workspaces section where all your boards are housed. Here, find and click on the board that contains the checklist you want to copy. Getting used to navigating efficiently among your workspaces can save you a lot of time, so it's always good to familiarize yourself with this layout. Once you've selected the correct board, you'll see all the cards listed. Click on the card that contains the checklist you'd like to copy. Doing this opens up a detailed view where you can manage the card specifics. Now, look for the checklist section within the card details. Click on it to reveal the options related to checklists. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Copy Items From. This option allows you to duplicate the checklist items from an existing checklist. You'll then be prompted to select the checklist you wish to copy. Having a naming convention for your checklist can be really helpful here, as it makes it quicker to find the right one, especially if you're managing multiple tasks and projects. Once you've selected the checklist, you'll need to finalize the process by clicking on Add. This action copies the selected checklist items over to the current card. This simple feature helps maintain consistency across your projects while ensuring all team members are aligned with the task details. And there you have it, that's how you copy a checklist in Trello. By using this feature, you can save time and eliminate repetitive work in setting up your list from scratch. It's all about working smarter, not harder. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to leverage checklists efficiently within your Trello boards. Remember, organization is a key component in achieving productivity, and Trello makes it seamless. Thanks for watching and happy Trelloing.